Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed about combined mean, and there were two questions of combined mean. Combined mean of two items x bar 1 2 equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2, और बेटा तीन का x bar 1 2 3 equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. And we have discussed the simple questions and missing questions of combined mean. And dear students, today I am going to discuss about the correct mean. Dear students, we will discuss corrected mean. Why corrected mean? Because while calculating mean, we have taken certain wrong items. In certain cases, due to mistake, some values of the series are not recorded or some wrong values are taken. In such case, arithmetic mean can be calculated by following these steps. Calculate incorrect sigma x using the formula x bar is sigma x upon n, because while calculating mean we have taken the wrong digits. Subtract incorrect values and add correct values to incorrect sigma x to obtain correct sigma x, and divide correct sigma x by number of items and to get corrected x bar. अब बेटा एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 24. द अर्थमेटिक मीन ऑफ ए सीरीज ऑफ 40 आइटम्स was calculated by students as 265. So x bar is 265 and n is 40. But while calculating it, an item rupees 115 was misread as 150. Misread, that means wrong item is 150 and correct item was 115. But while calculating mean, we have taken 150. Find the correct arithmetic mean. Now students, x bar is sigma x upon n. Cross multiply करते बेटा, sigma x equal to n into x bar, and this is my incorrect sigma x. If I put the value, x bar is 265, n is 40, sigma x is 40 into 265, 10,600. This is my incorrect item. As per the rule, from this we will subtract incorrect item and we will add correct item. Incorrect is 10,600 less incorrect item 150. So it is 10,450. Add correct item 115. So correct sigma x is 10,565 and x bar is correct sigma x upon n 10,560 upon 40. आप बेटा डिवाइड कर लो, you will get rupees 264.12. The next question beta, illustration 25. The arithmetic mean of a given set of data on expenditure was found to be 100. Arithmetic mean is 100. Later it was found that due to an error of omission, all the observations are rupees 5 less than the true values. Calculate the mean expenditure for the corrected data in terms of rupees, in terms of paisa. Now see students, we have taken rupees 5 less than the true value, यानी सब में 5 कम लिया. कैसे करेंगे बेटा? Since x bar is sigma x upon n, sigma x and x bar is 100, n is 5. Assume any number of observation. मैंने 5 assume कर ली, तो sigma x is 100 into 5, 500. अब बेटा incorrect is sigma 500. Now what I have taken, all observations are 5 less than the true value. 500 is wrong as all the observations are 5 less than the true values. Let us correct sigma x by adding 25 incorrect. अब बेटा 25 incorrect कैसे है? Because total observation is 5 और आपने सब में 5 कम लिया, तो total 25 कम लिया. तो add corrected balance is 25. Sigma x is 525 and correction will be done by like 525 upon 5, 105. And beta, corrected mean expenditure in terms of paisa, and we know that in 1 rupee it is 100 paisa. So rupees 105 into 100 is 10,500 paisa. So 25 was a little bit different from the 24. And now students, we will discuss the merits and demerits of arithmetic mean. Merits: arithmetic mean is the most popularly used because of the following merits. It is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It is based on all the observation of the series. Its value is always definite. It is rigidly defined and not affected by personal bias. The calculation of arithmetic mean does not require any specific arrangement of the data. It is least affected by fluctuations of sampling and ensures stability in calculation. It is good base for comparison. It is calculated value and not a position value like median and mode. So these are the merits of arithmetic mean. Now demerits. The drawbacks arise due to the particular nature of the average and method of calculation. Arithmetic mean sometimes gives most absurd results which cannot possibly exist. For example, average children in a family 3.5 or 2.7. Beta, a child cannot be divided in fraction. Arithmetic mean is affected by extreme values. जैसे बेटा अगर मान लेते एक मैनेजर की सैलरी 20,000 है और क्लर्क की 5,500, टाइपिस्ट की 4,500 और पीएन की 2,000. Average salary is coming 8,000 per month. So beta, average calculation is not a representative figure because we are saying that the per month salary of the company is 8,000 per month. But this holds good for general manager, not for clerk, typist and peon. Arithmetic mean cannot be calculated in the absence of one of the items. Arithmetic mean gives more importance to the bigger items and less importance to the small items of the series. Arithmetic mean cannot be decided just by observations. It needs mathematical calculations. So beta, today we have discussed how to correct the incorrect mean and merits and demerits of arithmetic mean. And dear students, in the next video we will discuss about weighted arithmetic average or weighted mean. Meanwhile, I will give you the 2 questions of corrected mean, which is my question number 15, 16 and 17 of NMSA. That's all for today. Thank you, class.